Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to show days of the week in your Power BI reports and ended up with a confusing alphabetical order, like Friday showing up before Monday, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to neatly sort your days from Monday through Friday, so your reports actually make sense and are much easier for your audience to follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get that clean business week order for any data you're working with. Alright, let's get started with the first, and maybe the most important step. To begin, we need to create a couple of calculated columns in your date table. Let's assume you already have a table in your Power BI model with a date field. What we're going to do is add some extra labeling to each date so Power BI can tell what day of the week each row is. First, we'll create a new column called Day Name. The formula is day name equals format, open bracket, your date table's date column, comma, DDDD, close bracket. What does this do? It converts your date into a nice, friendly weekday name like Monday or Tuesday. This is what you'll actually use in your visuals because it's readable and instantly recognizable. But here's the catch. Power BI thinks about sorting text alphabetically by default, so Friday always comes before Monday, and that messes up our order. This leads us to the second calculated column, day number. This one is just as easy to add. It's day number equals weekday, your date column, and you're going to use a 2 as the second argument. That 2 signals to Power BI that the week starts on Monday, so it assigns Monday as 1, Tuesday as 2, all the way down to Sunday as 7. With this in place, every day name automatically has a corresponding number, pointing to the real-world sequence of days. Now let's talk about how to actually use that day number to fix the sort order for our visuals. Jump over into Data View and find your day name column, the one we just created, select it here. Then head up to the ribbon at the top of Power BI, look for the Column Tools tab and find that Sort by Column button. Click it, and from the dropdown choose Day Number. What this little move does is tell Power BI to stop thinking alphabetically about day name, and instead follow the order from the day number column we just built. This is so important because now every time you use day name, whether in a bar chart, table, or a slicer, it's going to appear in the same sequence you and your audience expect. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and if you want, Saturday and Sunday too. But let's say you only want to focus on business days, Monday to Friday. Here's a simple trick. All you have to do is add a filter, either directly on your visual or at the page level where day number is less than or equal to 5. This tells Power BI, hey, just show me Monday through Friday and skip those weekends. This is incredibly useful for sales reports, call center dashboards, or anything where weekends aren't relevant. For example, imagine you've got a bar chart, put day name on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis. With the sort and the filter in place, you'll see your business days lined up perfectly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in just the order you want. No more hunting for Friday at the far end or being surprised by the order. And that's really all there is to it. I hope this helps you clean up your reports and makes your data that much clearer. If today's tutorial saved you some headaches, give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more Power BI tips, and if you've got any questions or another tricky sorting scenario, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to help out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.